The first step of exterior waterproofing is to excavate the foundation to expose footings. Typically, we dig a trench about 6 to 8 feet deep for this process. The second step to exterior waterproofing is repairing all foundation cracks. With hydraulic cement, we make sure that the foundation walls are structurally sound. In the third step of waterproofing, we apply a layer of elastometric membrane. This polymer-based sealant sets like rubber and provides an unsurpassed waterproof seal to prevent any future cracking. In the fourth step, we apply a thermal shield barrier wrap. The wrap helps protect the polymer-based sealant from any sort of deterioration that could arise from extreme weather conditions. In the fifth step, we install a waterproofing membrane to obtain superior and permanent protection. The membrane provides compressive strength to keep headwater pressure off the face of the walls, while also creating a drainage space that allows high capacity flow to the foundation drainage system. In the sixth step, we install a new weeping tile with a filter fabric if needed. The weeping tile system is used for underground water collection and discharge. In the seventh step, we cover the weeping tile with a layer of gravel. The purpose of the gravel is to make the functioning of the weeping tile easier by preventing excessive soil from falling through the slits into the weeping tile. In the eighth step, we backfill and clean up.